Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.2.21 Input Base Glass Temper Price. Temper strengthens the glass surface to make it safer. An alternative to tempering is heat strengthening, which is not itemized separately in the group of 17 rows of glass processes. Use the tempering row for heat strengthening as a substitute. Tempering is the second of 4 glass process prices to be entered. The price of each process can be entered in any sequence. Enter $1.45 per square foot for 3/8 inch tempering in cell T28. The 2 prices for the glass processes remaining are polish edge and fuel service charge. Data filter is applied in column I using for criteria the words pedestal example. How to use column C through I is discussed in step 3. After entering the price, return to the instruction sheet by selecting the tab to the left along the bottom of the window. This example 2.2.21 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 2.2.22.